It was a pretty great experience, you know, free day off from school, got to see a bunch of animals.
Well, being from South Carolina and having the Riverbank Zoo an hour and a half away from me, it'd be much easier for me to take a day trip down to the South Carolina Zoo. It's also much better.
Say it's a good 5 out of 10 schmeckles.
How it doesn't, there's a better zoo in North Carolina, in South Carolina, just go there.
Given these two differing opinions, I decided to head to the North Carolina Zoo and find out for myself if it truly was Wil'n. Oh hi, and welcome to Nature Be Wil'n. I'm your host, Nate the Box Turtle Greenstein, and I'd like to welcome you to the North Carolina Zoo. Right now we're in the African plains, surrounded by the world's most magnificent creatures, elephants, rhinos, and gazelles. Let's take a look. Elephants are some of the most intelligent mammals on this planet. Research has shown that they mourn their dead, display empathy, and can even recognize different languages. That's a thirsty one, huh? Elephants can drink up to 50 gallons a day, enough to fill an entire bathtub. Wow, how awesome was Africa, right? Now we find ourselves in the marshlands of North America, but this is only our first stop on this trip. We'll be heading on to see the swamps, grasslands, rivers, and the deserts. Now let's go see what animals Be Wil'n. Our slithering friends here have been around since the age of dinosaurs. They adapt extremely well to different environments as they live on every continent except Antarctica. Fun fact, snakes smell with their tongues. Now that's cool. The black bear is the smallest and most common bear in America. In fact, thousands of wild black bears live in this very state. This beautiful cat, the cougar, is the second largest cat in North America. You won't be hearing this one roar anytime soon though. Cougars can't actually roar. These cats can leap much farther than your average house cat, up to 40 feet. Wow, what an adventure, am I right? I know I enjoyed the North Carolina Zoo. Those animals sure were wildin'. How about that cougar, am I right? What about the pancake turtle? So flat. Now, I have to say, given all the amazing animals, I'll give the North Carolina Zoo 7 box turtles out of 10. Overall, fantastic experience. A bit too big in my opinion. So, that's all for now. See you next time on Nature Be Wil'n. I'm Nate the Box Turtle Greenstein, and you stay wildin'.